forecasts for the next 24 hours. Viking north at Sierra, south at Sierra, 40s, Cromarty 4th. Variable, mainly southerly or southwesterly 3 or 4. Thundery showers. Good, occasionally moderate. Tyne, Dogger. Southwest, backing southeast 3 or 4. Thundery showers. Good, occasionally moderate.
Another hour, we'll be on the road, inshallah.
I doubt it. Anybody want
Bro, glass bottle.
Chris?
There we go. It's wet as well, it doesn't, you shouldn't do that pumped up. You want to release some air.
Just obviously, it's a good cause. Obviously, some brothers are raising for Syria, some brothers are raising for hugs, and it's a noble cause. And inshallah, you know, through this we can help many families and many people who need our help. Inshallah.
I'm here for the bike ride from London to Paris. Sorry, Brighton.
You can keep going if you want.
Yeah. I've been swimming, cycling for the past 2 months. I'm actually doing the Mount Kilimanjaro challenge in January. So inshallah this will be a good warm up.
Inshallah, just please Allah, the cause, fitness in terms of brotherhood. Speaking about just general etiquettes, inshallah, I'm speaking. After that, inshallah, the brothers are going to give us some tips on cycling. And then after that, we'll do some stretches, and inshallah, we'll get going. I want to remind ourselves of the cause, why we're here today. Alhamdulillah, brothers have been raising for our brothers and sisters in Sham, for Syria, as well as for needy families via hugs. SubhanAllah. Yes, we see in the media recently the refugee crisis. And many of our brothers and sisters are fleeing. Why? Because the oceans, the water is more safer for them than staying in Syria.
Hugs do some incredible work, helping some of the most vulnerable people in the UK. There's a hadith of the Prophet says, from a hadith of Qudsi actually, that says, if you help someone in a time of distress, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will help you on the day of judgment. And what more day do we want help for than on that day? So subhanallah, helping these families in their darkest and most dire moments is a noble thing. We're encouraged to give charity locally to those who need it first, and subhanallah, there are people in dire need here in the UK that hugs are supporting.
Also, when we're leaving London, stay close to each other because there'll be traffic lights. So it avoids us having to stop to wait for other people to come through. So if we stay together, then of course the lights together. So stay tight and stay close together. You can do it, man, come on.
Oh, it's only been 10 miles as well. Another what? 60, 70 left?
60.
Can I do it?
You can do it. And then we'll break the salah. And then we'll shoot. I think we should be okay. How we doing?
Yeah, 4.8.
Updated. No, it's 5 now. 5.
Okay for now. Just trying to save up for the bigger.
You're not a celebrity, bruv. You're not a celebrity. You'll be a celebrity after this.
We've got about 44 miles to go. My legs already feel like they want to fall off.
Are you enjoying it?
I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm gonna cry, but I'm loving it.
Alhamdulillah, so far so good.
Trained hard?
Always.
Are you lying?
No.
Why are you looking at me like that then? How you feeling, Zach?
Alhamdulillah, so far so good. Halfway there. No, we're not. We're only about a quarter of the way there, but.
Come on, Kerry, you can do it. Kerry, you can do it. Abu Thamim.
MashaAllah.
MashaAllah, we don't expect.
Steep hill, bro, it's not easy.
Not far to go. Keep pushing. Keep pushing.
Unfortunately, I'm the first casualty of the ride. Hopefully not for long. Pulled up with a cramp on my left leg.
Love you, boy.
Still hanging in there.
Yeah, mashallah. Strong man. As well. Take the right turn.
MashaAllah.
Don't film my death.
What have you got to say?
Easy, no worries.
I think we've done halfway, 30 miles. 30 miles to go.
Assalamu alaikum, brothers. Sadly my left knee has just given way, even though I've been stretching like half an hour last night. My left thigh has locked up. Inshallah Allah heals me up so I can get back on with the brothers. Left thigh's okay. With every pedal, every time I click it hurts.
So we just shall we go praise the Lord, get ready to go.
Inshallah, well, all of us, our aim is Jannah, paradise. That's why, you know, we learned, one of our predecessors said, if we're crossing a bridge, I'm sure we crossed many bridges today. Now we're not going to build a house in the middle. The purpose is to get to the other side.
Open in time.
Inshallah, here we are. Breakaway group. Come on, bro.
You're nearly there. Keep going, keep going. Push it, push it, push it. Come on, Abdul Wahid. You can do this. All the way. All the way. That's it. Run away from me. Come on, Kerry. Not too far now. The whole way. It's going to ease up. Relax. Beautiful view. Look at it from the top. It's even better. Come on, Mr. Boulevard. Allahu Akbar. You got a better one waiting for you. Now get it. Deserve it. Earn it. That's the end over there, mate. Come on, Kerry. I can see girls' names on the floor. That means they made it. You've got to push past them.
This time it was slightly easier. I wouldn't say it was easier. Slightly easier.
Big lesson today. No training, and you'll go through what I go through.
Mustafa, how was it? You made it up the hardest hill. Come on, guys. Wow, bro.
Alhamdulillah, didn't stop once.
MashaAllah.
Alhamdulillah, man. Made it, man. Improvement over last time.
Alhamdulillah, we came to the top of this hill without any problems. Alhamdulillah, we went well.
Yeah? Nothing happened to the van? Nothing? Nothing? Come on, bro. Abdul Wahid, any words?
Nearly there, alhamdulillah.
You made it! Allahu Akbar.
I say, what was that place? The Beacon. After that it was pretty much all home straight, so you know, alhamdulillah. It's been an excellent day, fantastic experience, and I hear there's going to be food, so I'm not going to stick around, yeah?
You know what, to this ride, you don't have a single puncture, no major falls, no issues. It is Nusra of Allah, alhamdulillah, everyone is smooth.
Alhamdulillah, we made it here. I think it's time for a swim now, inshallah. Couldn't have done it without the support and the camaraderie of the brothers.
Do you see any sweat in this place?
No, because it dried off in the wind.
Yeah, right.
What's your words? Come on, man, what's your words?
Alhamdulillah, it's been a relatively easy ride. Alhamdulillah. But some of the new brothers, I'm very, very proud of them, man. And mashallah, they're doing very well, man. Very proud of them. Ihsan did very well, yeah. He nearly got knocked over 3 times. Improvement over last year, last April, where it was 4 times.